You are the love of my life, and I honestly have no idea where I'd be without you.
I'm just so excited to spend the rest of my life with Jess.
I've known Jessica for a long time. She's a beautiful girl. She comes from an amazing family. I'm grateful for Eddie and Krista, two of the finest people I know. And they did a really, really good job with this young lady. I was thinking about the Howells as well. I don't know them very well, but I know they showed up in numbers. They love family. They showed up 25 strong from Georgia.
Three, two, one. Oh, you look so beautiful. What do you think?
Wow, you are stunning.
I'm speechless.
Me too.
Noah was the first one to ever respect me and my body and who I am, not just the physical things, but the things that matter most. And I knew from right off the bat that he was gonna be my husband.
I love Jess. She's so amazing. She has such a beautiful singing voice. I would have her sing a song, but she lost her voice today, so that would probably not be the best.
Is this a cute couple or what?
I've been searching my whole life for someone like you, someone who understands my heart the way that you do. But now that you're here, girl, I don't know what to say. I really wanna find a way, really wanna know you, I really wanna show you how I feel about you when I look in your eyes. Oh, isn't it just lovely, the way my baby loves me. She really sets my soul on fire, but no words required. The way my baby loves me, with no words required. Oh, isn't it just lovely, yeah. The way my baby loves me, yeah.
Earlier today, Jessica and Noah were sealed in the San Diego Temple for time and all eternity. It was a great event, and it was neat to be there in attendance to watch Noah and Jessica. They were kneeling across an altar, holding hands, looking at each other with those lovebird googly eyes with great big smiles like they have right now.
It must be love. Only love would take me back again. When I've been caught with love on my head, there's no good reason that I could understand. It must be love. God knows it must be love.
As I was in the temple today, I was thinking of all those people that were in attendance. I thought of others that were witnessing from the other side of the veil. Some grandpas and some grandmas, some dear friends, and others that have passed on. You could tell that they were there as well.
Every mistake, every disaster, when I run away, love's running faster. Only love would take me back again. When I've been caught with blood on both my hands, there's no good reason that I could understand.
have been praying for you my entire life. You mean everything to me. And when I think of the word home, I think of you.